Hello and welcome to NedDev. In this video we're going to talk about calling system commands from within a Perl script. So within our development environment we're going to create another file which demonstrates how to call system commands. We'll call that 20 system commands. Now opening this up, we're going to put in our pragmas, use strict and use warnings. Now it's super simple to call a system command from Perl. You simply type the built-in function system, open the parentheses, open some quotes, and you type out your system command. So it can be as simple as this. Now if I save that, we can run this perl20. And there we can see it's run the system command echo hello, and if I was to do that here, we get exactly the same. The second thing to know about the built-in system command is that it returns the exit code after the command in there has been executed on the system. So in Linux, an exit code of 0 is that the program ran without error, or the command executed without error. So if we assign this here to exit code, and then we can print out that exit code. Now we should be able to see that the system executed this properly. So there we go, exit. And if we were relying on this being correctly invoked, then we could have the code do something conditionally if it didn't run, like run it again or prompt the user that the command didn't run properly. So to prove this, I will just put some random characters in here, and you should be able to see that it doesn't run properly, so we get an exit code of 32,512. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one, where we'll talk about other built-in functions.